2010 Mercury in the shop. We'll do a quick how-to on how to bypass our security issue. Battery died, so now we have a security symbol illuminating on the dash. We try to start it, and got nothing. I do want to mention the engine did run. This just happened after a dead battery. Roll up to your engine compartment fuse box. We're looking for our PCM fuse, and that is going to be number 5. If we look inside our cover, you can see number 5 here. Matching orientation, that's going to be our 10 amp on our bottom left. We'll check continuity across our fuse, and we have no response from our meter. We'll check this 15. We do have a response. Let's remove and check the 10 amp. After inspection, we have verified we have a pop fuse. You can see on that left side there. Swap in a new fuse. Give it a test and see how we did. Here we are. Also check 35, but thanks for joining.